Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect LiveChat to Magento right here. Okay, so first up, you need to log into your Magento account or at account.magento.com. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to Marketplace, wait for it to load, and once it loads, use the search bar, okay, and find LiveChat like so. As you can see here in the drop down, we have LiveChat, which is basically for free. Just click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, select the edition. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and select open source right here. Your store version could be your Commerce store version or Magento open source as well. Okay, so just add to cart. Now go ahead over to your cart right here at the top. Proceed. Now just fill in this form. Okay, now once that's done, just go ahead and click on place order. Wait for it to load. Now once that's done, go ahead and click on install right here. Wait for a new page to pop up. Now, as you can see here, it says, to install an extension or download the extension code for review, you need to use Composer. Right here, we have the instructions. It says, please ensure you are using correct access key. So click on My Profile Access Key right here, and you'll be able to see it. Okay. Click on Create New Access Key if you haven't created one. Name it maybe a LiveChat X Magento. Okay. Okay. Now here you have your access key. Okay. As you can see here we have the public key and private key. Now it says here, paste the access keys in your auth.json file inside your project. Now use this code, Composer require, okay, module name version to add the extension to your project. If you just need the extension package code for a specific version, for example, code review purposes, you can just initialize an empty project and just add Composer require statement for the extension to a blank composer.json. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and log into your admin panel or Magento admin panel. Now what you'll do is to flush the cache. Okay, log into your Magento admin panel, go to System and Cache Management, and then click Flush Magento Cache. After that, navigate to the modules settings in your Magento admin panel to configure aspects like chat window appearance, agent settings, and other preferences. So just basically follow the modules instruction to sign in with your LiveChat account and link it with Magento. All right. Now, another option is by going to your LiveChat account and manually copy the JavaScript widget code. Now, to get that, go ahead over to the left panel right here, click on the gear icon. Now, under channels right here, just click on install LiveChat. Now here we have the widget, okay, or the widget code. Just click on copy. Now go back to your Magento admin panel and go to content and configuration. Now, once that's done, just click on your stores edit button and then scroll to the footer section and paste the copied code from LiveChat into the miscellaneous HTML field. And once done, just click on save and continue. And after that, your LiveChat will be connected to your Magento store. And that is it. That is how you connect LiveChat to Magento. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.